new fans, P14s and P12s. We got some extensions as well, just because we're doing the fans. So we're back to do some upgrades to this awesome machine. Clearly, you saw the new pickup of the Arctic fans. These are the P14s and the P12s. I couldn't take the noise anymore. The click, 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 or tick, 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 tick. It's just too much. It's too much for one person to stand. Now, I don't know how some people do it. I know a lot of people use headphones, but I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. I feel like there's an echo here. So we're going to start working on this and see what we can do. First, we're going to do some tests so you can hear it nicely with the mic, and then we're going to go from there. You can hear that sound. The question becomes, why? Crappy fans. So, what we're gonna attempt here is to connect these fans and test them out. In the back here, there is a 6 connection hookup. And here we go. So we got the 140p, so that's actually working. That's great. What can you hear? Much quieter. Kind of impressed, to tell you the truth. Now these are the PMWs, PSTs. They are dual connecting, so I can connect a few to these. So we're going to be looking at how we're going to be connecting them all together. In essence, trying to make sure they all fit a nice narrative, a flow for the front. There we go. And there. So we're good. I'm impressed. Let's check out the other big one here. 140, P140. Right, let's boot it up. That is full blast. So we're going to go ahead and install these 2 fans at the top. We're going to then install the 5 12Ps. Now we're looking at here on the radiator. I do have several opportunities with this whole build, but I'm going to go with a push-pull configuration. I'm going to put 2 fans down here as well underneath the graphics card. And then I'm probably going to replace this back one as well. Just get all these fans out of here because they're so horrible. So let's get going. Alright, so what we're doing right now is just installing these bottom fans. You need the longer screws for this. The video card had to come out. You're removing these plates, and when you remove these plates, you can't really use them again because they didn't drill 2 holes in the back. I don't know why. It would have been nice to just send them flat just for aesthetics, if anything. Or even have them on the bottom and just put these on top, but hey, it is what it is. So basically, we're going to connect the different fans because these fans come with the ability to connect each one, and I'm going to just connect this to one header. And then from one header, what we're going to do is have this turn on only when the heat goes so much that we have to push some air into the graphics card. So it will turn on not all the time. I mean, that's the goal of these fans here. Alright, so that's step 1 done. Okay, we gotta figure out where we're gonna put this. So we put these rubber stops in because we gotta like play around with where everything is. We're kind of like stuck. So to come up with a solution, because we didn't have the big long screws, we used them up for the inside of the case to put 2 fans in. We're short 2 now. I didn't count. That was a problem. I didn't count, and I assumed we were good. I'm gonna have to go buy some of these screws somewhere and redo this down the road, unless this catches and it's good. I mean, let's see if it works now. So we are officially working. Operation Go. I just have to remove the header here and tilt this so I can get the air bubbles out, because and basically when you're hearing a lot of air bubbles, it'll eventually go up, but just putting it in the position like that and just tilting everything forward will just make it go by faster. I'm gonna actually tilt it totally. Actually, let's just leave it for now. Let's see where it goes. So clearly I've screwed up something with the BIOS. I'm starting it, but we can see I got everything in here. This is all looking nicer now. It's smooth, and the fans are all working nicely.